Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. But what we'll be doing, actually we'll work on Lincoln MKX as well. We'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace front exterior door handle. Front left or front right, guys, the procedure will be the same. Stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that's all we need in return. If you guys need to buy a new door handle, guys, exterior door handle, any parts or tools for your car, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys. There it will be listed in the description, guys, for your convenience, so check it out. Now this is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on. 2009, we'll go ahead and show you on the front left door, but the front right will be the same. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what you need to do now, guys, okay, right here when you open the door you have two covers. Okay, you're going to have two rubber covers. You need to remove one of them, guys, the bottom one. Okay, right there. So by removing that cover now, okay, let me show you. Perfect. You're going to have a Torx, I believe it's a 20, Torx 20, start looking big, guys. Okay, head, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, just like this one. You're going to get inside. It's more to the left, and start getting it loose, guys. Okay, get it loose a little bit more. Okay, don't get it loose all the way. Okay, perfect. Until you guys can pull that, okay, that cover out, just like that. Don't remove it more now. And we're going to see, okay, what else we need to do. Now I'll slide that handle towards the back, pull out of here and come out, guys, in an angle. Okay, you can see, just like that.